Welcome to Quick Bites from Jamaica Macrezi, your go-to podcast for quick, insightful conversations on the latest trends, intriguing stories, and topics that matter to you. Whether you're taking a break or on the move, we're here to keep you informed and entertained in 10 minutes or less. Let's dive in.
Welcome to this Quick Bites breakdown of Donald Trump's proposed immigration policies and their potential impact on the Caribbean diaspora, particularly Jamaicans. In this video, we'll explore the stakes, consequences, and possible benefits of these policies for Caribbean immigrants in the United States. Following his recent election victory, Donald Trump has outlined a series of stringent immigration measures that could significantly affect the Caribbean community. These policies represent a marked shift from the current administration's approach. Trump has pledged to revoke TPS for various immigrant groups, including approximately 200,000 Haitians. This could have a ripple effect on other Caribbean nationalities. The loss of TPS would mean loss of work authorization, potential deportation, and family separations. Trump has promised to implement mass deportations potentially affecting millions of immigrants, including those from the Caribbean. This could lead to disruption of Caribbean communities in the United States, economic impact on both the United States and Caribbean nations, and increased pressure on social services in Caribbean countries. Trump plans to reform legal immigration, which could make it more difficult for Caribbean nationals to enter the United States legally. This may include stricter visa requirements, more rigorous vetting processes, and potential limits on family-based immigration. The administration intends to end humanitarian parole programs affecting countries like Haiti. This could limit legal pathways for Caribbean nationals to enter the United States, increase attempts at illegal immigration, and strain diplomatic relations between the United States and Caribbean nations. Trump proposes to involve various federal agencies in immigration enforcement, including FBI and DEA participation in apprehending undocumented immigrants' potential use of the National Guard, and increased border security measures. Potential loss of jobs for Caribbean immigrants, reduced remittances to Caribbean countries, possible brain drain as skilled workers return to their home countries, family separations, increased anxiety and uncertainty within Caribbean communities, potential rise in anti-immigrant sentiment. Caribbean immigrants may face increased scrutiny, a more difficult path to citizenship or permanent residency, potential loss of long-term residents who have built lives in the United States, possible erosion of Caribbean cultural influence in the United States, challenges in maintaining connections with family members in the Caribbean. While the proposed policies are largely restrictive, there could be some potential benefits. Returning migrants could bring skills and capital to Caribbean nations, potential for increased entrepreneurship in the Caribbean, necessity for Caribbean countries to develop their economies to retain talent, possible increase in intra-Caribbean migration and cooperation. The harsh policies could lead to a broader debate on immigration reform, potential for more balanced policies in the future. Caribbean diaspora may become more politically active to protect their interests, potential for stronger Caribbean lobbying groups in the United States. The proposed immigration policies under a second Trump administration present significant challenges for the Caribbean diaspora, particularly Jamaicans and other island nationals. While the immediate impact appears largely negative, it's crucial for Caribbean immigrants to stay informed, engage with their representatives, and prepare for potential changes. As we move forward, the resilience and adaptability of the Caribbean community will be tested. It's important to remember that immigration policies can change, and active participation in the political process can influence future decisions. Thank you for watching this brief analysis of Trump's immigration plans and their impact on the Caribbean diaspora. Please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Thanks for tuning in to Quick Bites from Jamaica Macrezi. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a bite-sized update. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to hear next. Catch you in the next one.